Okay, we at 365 Whittaker Parkway in Orangeburg, South Carolina. Showing you the house here that I have. By the way, this is Margaret with Diamond Investor 2 LLC. Phone number 803-747-0251. Let's take a walk inside. Living room. Lots of natural light. We have a side office room right here. Central AC and heat. Hardwood floors have been redone. And we're going to come through here. Excuse, but it's being cleaned up. We have the first bedroom here to the right. Brand new ceiling fans. Let's take a walk down. Second bedroom to the right. I'm not going to go in because the floor is wet. There's a closet. Come back out. We have a closet where you can put your security and alarm system. This room I consider the master. Nice big closet. And again, I'm not gonna go in and show that, but you can see that. Here's a full bath. Okay, with your closet. And then we have a storage room right here. And down the hallway to your right is a massive family room. Look at that. Built-in. And then the sliding door to your patio, your covered patio. Okay. I'm gonna walk back out. Let's check out the kitchen. Here we have an eat-in kitchen. This is your oven range. New hood for the electric stove. Another full bath. Washer and dryer hookups. Then we're going to come out and you have a covered 2-car garage. You have 2 storage rooms out here. Here's the other one. Got the washer and dryer out here. That's what you can do. Let's walk to the backyard. That was the side door from the family room. This is the covered patio. The land goes back to where you see that fence. Let me show you. And it wraps back around this way. The house has a brand new roof. Lots of work has been done on this house. Okay. Whittaker Parkway. I will tell you, this is a rental. They house students over here. They put up a privacy fence. This is your heating unit. It's a small crawl space right there. So you're gonna have someone tiny to get into that, unless you can go through the floor and repair it back. Okay, then we're back to the front of the house. I'm going to show you the area. You have a school down here, a couple of businesses over here. Going straight down, you will have your shopping. Also, this leads you out to the major highways, which are I-26, 33 will take you to there, and then coming this direction, you will be going to Highway 301. As you can see, lots of trucks come through this way. Okay, so again, this is Margaret with Diamond Investor 2 LLC, and I look forward to hearing from you about 365 Whittaker Parkway. Wanted that truck to go by. Remember that you can reach me at 803-747-0251. Have a good day.